Today, we're doing things a little differently. We're gonna solve a problem that's been bugging people forever. Stickers. You know those annoying things that leave that sticky residue and just won't come off? We're gonna make stickers and their ooey gooey mess disappear with some super quick and easy solutions that anyone can do. Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's crank up the heat. We're going to use the power of a simple household tool to make our lives a bit easier. But first, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Now, grab your hairdryer. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just your average hairdryer will do. If you have one with multiple heat settings, that's even better, but a basic model works just fine. Now, aim that hot air directly at the sticker. Make sure you're targeting the edges where the adhesive is strongest. We're talking like an inch or two away. Really blast it. The closer you get, the more effective the heat will be in loosening up that stubborn adhesive. The heat is going to work its magic on the adhesive, softening it up and making it a whole lot easier to peel off. You'll start to see the edges of the sticker lift and curl as the adhesive weakens. Don't worry about melting anything, just keep that hairdryer moving a little bit and you'll be good to go. Move it in small circles or back and forth to evenly distribute the heat. This way, you ensure that the entire sticker gets the right amount of heat without damaging the surface underneath. Next up, we're heading to the kitchen for this one. This is where the magic happens and you won't believe how simple it is. Don't worry, we're not making a cake. But we are about to whip up something just as satisfying. We're gonna mix up a little concoction of baking soda and cooking oil. This dynamic duo is perfect for tackling those stubborn stickers that just won't budge. Just a spoonful of each should do the trick. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Mix it up into a paste and slather it all over that stubborn sticker. Make sure to cover the entire area for the best results. Let it sit for a few minutes. This gives the baking soda a chance to work its magic and break down that adhesive. The longer it sits, the easier it will be to remove. Then, grab a cloth or a sponge, give it a good scrub, and watch that sticker disappear. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it comes off, leaving your surface clean and residue-free. You know we love to hear from you, so leave us a comment and let us know which method is your favorite. For this next trick, we're bringing in the big guns, rubbing alcohol or vodka. Now, I know what you're thinking, but trust me on this one. Alcohol is a sticker's worst nightmare. It dissolves the adhesive like nobody's business. Just soak a cotton ball or a paper towel with some alcohol and hold it against the sticker for a few seconds. This will give it time to really penetrate and loosen things up. Then, gently wipe away the sticker and any leftover residue. Boom! Gone! Alright, if those other methods didn't quite do the trick, it's time to bring out the muscle. Well, not really. We're just gonna use a plastic scraper or an old credit card. The key here is to be gentle. We don't want to damage the surface underneath the sticker. Just slide the scraper under the edge of the sticker and slowly peel it away. If you encounter any resistance, try heating the sticker with the hairdryer again to soften the adhesive. Last but not least, we've got another kitchen staple that's here to save the day. White vinegar. This humble liquid is not just for cooking. It's a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle a variety of household tasks. This stuff is a cleaning powerhouse, and it works wonders on stickers too. From countertops to windows, white vinegar can clean almost anything, leaving surfaces sparkling and fresh. To remove stickers, soak a paper towel or a cloth in some white vinegar and lay it over the sticker. The acetic acid in the vinegar helps to break down the adhesive, making it easier to remove. Let it sit for a few minutes to really soak in and break down that stubborn adhesive. The longer you let it sit, the more effective it will be. You can even leave it for up to 15 minutes for particularly tough stickers. Then, simply peel off the sticker. You'll notice how much easier it is to remove, with minimal effort required. You might need to give it a little scrub with the cloth to remove any remaining residue, but it should come off with ease. If there's still some sticky residue left, just apply a bit more vinegar and scrub again. White vinegar is truly a household hero, making cleaning tasks simpler and more efficient. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy ways to remove those pesky stickers. No more sticky residue, no more frustration. You can finally have those clean, smooth surfaces you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for dropping in, and we'll see you next time.